In this video, I'm going to share with you how to record your voiceover on Audacity. Okay, Audacity is an open source software that you can just download free of charge and install on any of your system, be it Mac or Windows. So to start, once you open your Audacity, you can just come over. The first thing is to make sure you set up the audio standards, which is the recording device. Okay, so you can see this time around I'm going to use my MacBook microphone. If you have any other device that's attached, it will automatically detect it. So you set the device, and then you have some basic audio settings which I don't touch. The only thing I touch is the sensitivity in the recording. I can increase it to maybe something like close to -6, which is going to give you very good sensitivity when it comes to the recording. So once you open it and check the sensitivity, is the output volume, which I don't touch. So you can come over here and click on this red button and you can start recording. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of my recording with Audacity. So once you're done, you click on stop and now you have your recording. We can play it to have a preview. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of my recording with Audacity. Okay, so once you're done, you can delete all the backticks. Where you have silences, you can just select delete. You can select this section as well. Just drag and delete, and then you select all the other sections that you don't want and just press delete on your keyboard. If you want to enhance it, fine. But if you want to export, you can come to File, Export Audio. You can say export to my computer, specify the name, specify the direction and the file type. This is going to be in MP3. I usually go with MP3, but if you want WAV, you can have or other formats. And then we can just go ahead and click on export and it's going to be exported. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.